Where we pick up the story today, I spent the last month cycling across Korea. I had an amazing adventure, but now that's over. Today, I jump on a plane to Tokyo. There's a lot to do, a lot to see, and a lot of food to try. So let's not waste any more time. This is the beginning of the We Wonder Japan series. I am still in Korea right now. I'm about to check out of my Airbnb. It is 7:43. My plane leaves at 11. The airport's only like 13 minutes away by train. All right, I've got my cart, headed to the gate, or to the international terminal. It's somewhere this way, hopefully not too far. Riding the train over, I was definitely feeling some heartache, man, watching Korea pass me by. I am sad to leave, legitimately. I really like Korea. All right, I found my gate 1, but I've got about 2 hours.
A few inches later.
All right, I'm in Japan. I'm headed right now for the train because I'm in Narita. Narita's like an hour away from Tokyo. So yeah, let's go find that. I found this to be really stressful. It was hot. There were so many people everywhere, more than I ever saw in any airport in Korea. I actually didn't film a lot because I was really just lost and confused. Eventually, I managed to figure out how to get my Welcome Suica card, which is used when taking local trains in Japan. I also got my ticket for the Keisei Skyliner, a high-speed train that takes you from Narita to Tokyo, as Narita is actually quite far from Tokyo itself. Alright guys, I did not film everything at all. I'm tired. That big bag killed me, dude. Man, I'll show more of the trains and everything later, but that was rough. After finding my hotel, I immediately showered and ran back out to meet up with one of my students. They didn't want to be on camera, so you won't be seeing them here. We spent the evening exploring around Ikebukuro, which is a cool little up-and-coming district of Tokyo. Great for shopping, restaurants, arcades, and is actually a red light district, though we didn't explore that side of it. Alright, we arrived at the One Piece Mugiwara store, but there's a line to get in. Whoa, it's pretty long, dude. I did not expect that at all. This area that I've been in is so crowded. There's so many people. It's cool though, it's fun. The Mugiwara store is located in Sunshine City Mall, which is actually one of the most popular places to visit in Ikebukuro. I really wish I would have filmed more of it, but I was so overwhelmed with the amount of people and the amount of things to see and do, as well as not wanting to bother my student with too much filming. That looks good. I just left with my student. I had a really great time. Sorry I didn't film so much. We were just talking and walking around. Yeah, it was just a really good first night. It was chill. I feel like I learned a lot and I'm ready to show you guys everything tomorrow. It was nice to have a night where I wasn't filming. Take a little break. I guess I'll see you guys in the morning. Ohayou gozaimasu, Wonders. Welcome back to Japan. Today, the boys arrive. Nate, Drew, and TJ. Nate and Drew and I go way back. TJ I've met 2 or 3 times. He's Drew's brother. But they're not gonna arrive until 3. So until then, I've got some time to kill. Anyway, I'll get out of this hotel. They have coin lockers. I'll show you that later here in Tokyo where I can put my bags. Go find the Airbnb, explore around until they arrive. I will meet them at the airport. The only issue, it's raining. So I stayed last night here at the Flex Stay Inn in Sugamo. It was very small. The rain stopped, thank God. With all my bags, I excitedly took the train over to Monzen Nakacho Station, as it was the closest to my Airbnb. But I quickly got really confused and found my plans for the day falling apart before my eyes. Guys, I'm so confused, dude. I legitimately hate traveling around alone at this point. Like when you get to a new country, you're like trying to figure out just how simple things work. It's so frustrating when you don't have someone to just help you. So I'm trying to find a coin locker to put my freaking stuff in, because I have to wait until 3. So I thought coin lockers are at all the stations. I came to the station near where my Airbnb is supposed to be, and there's no coin locker in there. Because I wasn't able to find coin lockers in the station, I instead tried using this app called Ekbo Cloak, or ECBO Cloak. To save a lot of time from watching past me complain, I'll just say I totally misunderstood this app. I found it from, of course, an Instagram reel, which didn't actually actually explain how it was used at all. I was under the impression that it shows you the location of coin lockers, but actually it's more like Uber or Airbnb, where people set their local business as a place that will store luggage for you. Because I didn't realize this, I spent so long looking for lockers instead of looking for the actual business, and just ended up getting more and more frustrated. I'm just sitting here by the road. I just feel like frustrated. I don't know what to do. I wrote my host like, is there somewhere I can drop off my bags? Like anything? They're not writing back. It was like 15 minutes ago. I mean, I'm gonna give it more time. There's Don Quixote down there. I wanna go explore it, but what am I supposed to do with my bags? It's like such a huge store. These are heavy. Okay, I learned a lot. I found the right one. It was on the 6th floor here. It's in a manga cafe. I had to translate with the guy. He didn't speak any English. Basically, you have to reserve it online first, which I could do. I could reserve it right there. But in order to use the app, you have to have a phone number. And I have no phone number anymore. I just can't use it.
Eventually.
I got it figured out. Here's the trick. When you come to Japan, if you want to use that app, if you don't have a phone number, use somebody else's. Use someone you know back home. I put in my mom's and she sent me the confirmation code and it worked perfect. Cheat code. I just went back into the station looking for a bathroom and coin lockers. I did not see them. They're like hidden off in this little corner. I would have saved just a tiny bit, less than $2, $1.50 to use these instead, but that's fine, whatever. Anyway, this is what they look like if you're ever looking for them. And you scan your card here. It should be easy to use. Maybe I can use it another time. Now I couldn't find a restroom in there. I'm just lost. This is how it is whenever you go to a new country for the first time. It's always confusing. And I did find even more storage lockers walking around in there. I should have checked more first, but when I came out, I thought it's a really small station. The way I came out, I went through what I thought was most of the station. You gotta learn the hard way, you know what I mean? It doesn't matter. Okay, the very first thing I'm doing is finding the Airbnb. It says it's only an 8-minute walk away. So if I can find the Airbnb now, later when I have everybody with me, it should be really easy to go grab the bags, go to the Airbnb, and not have to hunt later. Well, the Airbnb is right behind me. I have found it. It started raining again. I'm gonna go find Don Quixote. I saw it's around here somewhere. I wanna check it out. Never mind, guys. I guess there's no Don Quixote around here. I swear I saw it on the map, but when I checked again, it's gone. It's legitimately raining again, but it's blue skies over there. I see a park. I'm walking there now, but there's a Family Mart here. Family Mart's a convenience store in Japan. I'm gonna jump in here, and I haven't really got a good chance to look around the convenience stores yet. Dude, I got the spicy chicken sandwich in that Family Mart and it was so freaking good. That was incredible. I mean, it wasn't gonna change my life, but for a convenience store, that was good. I just checked the flight. They are early. They're about almost an hour early arriving. They're not here yet, but I'm still gonna go down to this park and then I'll probably have to head back to the station and head to the airport. Also, what am I seeing in front of me? Is that the Tokyo Sky Tree? I don't know if it is or not. It kind of looks like it. I made it to the park. Fall colors are starting to happen. Not everywhere. You can see a little bit. This park is nice, but from this map back here, I noticed that there's a more beautiful, well, from the map, it looks more beautiful. There's like a lake or a pond and stuff, but just on this other side over here. So let's go see. Unfortunately, I can't spend too long here because the boys, their plane is arriving like an hour early. I thought I had more time to walk around. Considering I just stumbled on this place randomly, Kiyosumi Gardens, or Kiyosumi Teien, was an amazing find. This garden was actually constructed during the Meiji era and features a beautiful little lake surrounded by gorgeous stepping stones, little bridges, and beautiful nature all around. This park really helped to put my head back in the right place and managed to get me excited for Japan again. Hello. Ame. I keep seeing all these animals in this park, this little duck and the fish and the turtles. And it's got me wondering, what's the snake situation like in Japan? Because it wasn't great in Korea. All right, this park's been beautiful. Unfortunately, I don't have more time to get to explore it more deeply. I'm gonna head back across it and start heading back toward the station. They're here in about an hour. Watch, I'm gonna get there and they're gonna taxi on the runway for like 2 hours. I'm just gonna be sitting there like, I could have been at that park more. Also, if I didn't say, the park was 150 yen to enter. My friends were arriving in Haneda Airport, a newer and honestly better airport for arriving in Tokyo. The trip over on the trains was quick and easy, even a little beautiful. Guys, I made it to Haneda, and I gotta say, it's a lot nicer than Narita was. I like this airport way more. I wish I would have came in here. It's not as hot. Everything's so clean and new, and Narita, I don't know, man. It wasn't a vibe. This place it's pretty nice. There's lots of restaurants and store. I mean, there probably are in Narita as well. Arrivals is down one more floor. I can compare that directly to Narita, and that it looks way better, way less hectic. Come to Haneda. It's closer too. I got ice cream. It's Hokkaido soft serve. Flavor's not what I expected at all. I need to find out what's in it. I think it's just a lot of milk. Pretty good. They should be landing right now. FlightAware says that they've landed, but nobody's written me. So I guess they're still taxiing. This was good. Very milky. I'm not sure why they haven't written me yet. I would think they'd be inside. I'm just waiting at the arrivals area. Nate just wrote me. They're in. I don't know if they're through immigration and customs. He just said, we're in. Let's go. Sounds like he has energy. Maybe he slept on the plane, man. I thought they were gonna be tired. So I've been standing here for like 40 minutes. They just got their bags, but Nate said that Drew can't find his phone. What's happening with these guys? You got to hold on to everything. So apparently Drew left his phone at immigration, and they're trying to find it. They went back and they told them that they had found it and they took it to customs. So I guess they're going there now. I don't know, man. Rookie mistakes, dude. You gotta hold on to that stuff.
One eternity later.
What's up, guys? You made it. Did you find your phone?
Thank the Lord, yes.
All right, we got one more train to take. We're switching lines now. Once we get there, I gotta go back to that manga cafe and grab my bags. I got till 7 to pick them up. It's 5. We got 2 hours. We're totally fine. Honestly, guys, I got pretty distracted with seeing friends again for the first time in over a month and just didn't film much of our first evening together. But all we did was find the Airbnb, walk around a little bit, and stop in the convenience store. So we went down to the, oh, I can see you guys because of the mirror. We went down to the konbini, actually to 7-Eleven, got some food. I thought I got a spicy chicken, but whatever this is, it's not chicken, but it's good. Drew definitely got a spicy chicken. Was it good, Drew?
Fire. I got the steamed pork bun.
It's good? What about you, TJ? What'd you get?
I don't know what it was, but it was good.
It wasn't the chicken?
I'm not sure.
I think you got the same thing I
got
got.
a rice ball, but I haven't taken a bite yet.
Onigiri?
Onigiri.
What's in it?
Salmon.
Salmon onigiri. Hope it's good. In the next video, the trip really gets underway as we head out to truly see what Tokyo has to offer. Keep wondering.